How to keep your hair in place. That is the topic of today's video, and it's going to be a bit more product focused. Now, when it comes to having your hair stay in place, it really depends on the type of style that you are wearing. If you're wearing your hair a bit shorter and more of like a spiky type of look, then you may need to go with like my powder called talc, or my crafted matte paste or Clutch XL. As the hair gets longer and the style changes, you then have to start to shift into a different category or type of product. And that's the most important thing. I think a lot of times people mistakenly use a product that's not really the right product for that look. All right. Now, the look really is everything. If you want a severe side part, something that's completely slicked back, you want a ton of shine, you want to have that wet look, a classic pomade is going to do that. Something very more of an oil base, something really, really shiny, something that's really a little bit on the greasier side. It's designed for those types of looks. If you want something extremely matte, then that's where my hair powder comes in, or the crafted matte paste. It really depends on the look. Now, this particular topic is really geared towards people who have hair on the, I would say the hair comes down to maybe here, the eyebrow, and it's more designed if you're slicking your hair back. Now, let's just say you don't want a ton of shine. Let's just say you want your hair to just really stay back, or you've got really short kind of spiked hairstyle where the hair is maybe like, half an inch to 3/4 of an inch long. You want to just put something in your hair, set it and forget it. Then, I know a lot of people's first reaction may be to go to a gel. Well, I would agree, and that's why I came up with this product called Power Cream. Now, Power Cream, which is, let me get out of the way here. Power Cream falls under the Crafted line, which is my sub-brand. All right, now, this product, when I wanted to have this developed, I wanted to make sure that it was going to have extreme, strong, what I call bulletproof hold, right? Set it and forget it hold. But at the same time, be in a gel or some type of consistency that wasn't something you would see all the time. So that's where I wanted a cream gel. So it's more of a creamy type consistency. And this product right here has gotten rave reviews, and I think it's really an incredible product because it does deliver. So if you're looking for extreme hold, you don't really want to have a ton of shine, you want to just set it and forget it. And what you want to do is put some in your hand. Don't work it through all the way. You want to apply it to your hands while and still have it creamy so you can work it through the hair. If you work it into your hands, it's going to get too sticky and too tacky and too grippy, and that's what it's designed to do in the hair. So what you need to do is put it in your hands, lightly work it through so it's consistently and evenly applied while it's still a cream consistency, and then work it into your hair and slick your hair back or do whatever type of style you want. And within, I'd say 5 seconds to 10 seconds, it's going to start to set. Then you just set it and forget it. You leave it and that's it. It's an amazing product. I really wanted this to be an extreme hold cream gel, Power Cream, all right? It's designed for that powerful look. Slick backs, it's not, an oil-based product at all. It's not gonna make your hair greasy. It's really designed just for pure, strong hold, all right? It's not something you can work your hands through and restyle it. No, set it and forget it, all right? Now, let's just say you don't wanna have a super strong hold, but you want to have more of that kind of lived in second or third day even look. Some you may even consider kind of like a dirty looking hair. Well, that's where we created the Crafted Matte Pomade. This is a really, really amazing product. Put a lot of work and testing into this. I do love the smell of it. It's really an incredible product. And when I first tested this, after, I test these and I want to make sure that it's to my liking as a, someone who's been in the industry for over 30 years. I know hair products, I know what I'm looking for. So I wanted that lived-in look without it looking really oily, greasy, grimy. This gives you that second or third day lived-in look without being oily. This matte pomade is really probably one of my favorite products. It's designed for, I would say, medium length hair. Maybe if you even have your hair down to here, but you want to slick it all back, you want some control to it. It's not going to be bulletproof hold, but it will keep your hair in place. It's going to have that, again, that second or third day lived-in look. And it's going to be something where I think you're going to really like it. It works great on thicker hair types, even wavy hair. But crafted matte pomade, it's not a traditional pomade, right? And it's not. The good thing about this is that none of my products are oil-based. They're all water-based, and they contain really clean ingredients. So you want, and I've done tutorials. You want to have the hair stays down to here. You want to be able to slick it behind your ear. You want it all slick back, maybe even a side part, while it's looking matte, but also a lot more tame. It's great for flyaways. So that's how you get to keep your hair to stay in place all day. It comes down to having the right product, having the right haircut, and having the right game plan. If you are interested in purchasing these products or any of my products, use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. And if you're using these, thank you so much. But if you're not, I highly suggest checking them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.